So yes, I woke up in the morning and I found a pet. We have a pet apparently in the house that I don't even know about. Alright. We're actually gonna try to scare it outside. Alright. Okay. Uh-oh, there he goes. Just trying to get out. Alright.
What'd you do?
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
Apparently this window doesn't, it's not quiet.
Put a screen on it.
Yeah, we can put the screen.
Well, just, Oh.
There we go, just bust open the screen.
Yeah, but it's not going to come toward you. See, go around the other side. You kind of scare it. I don't think the sound effects are necessary.
Yeah, there you go, my friend. There you go, my friend. There you go. Freedom!
Freedom.